Hi, this is Alex Wong, and I want to show a video on the bowl steaming technique that I posted a link to a few days ago that people were very interested in. And just want to quickly show you that I was in the process of wrapping it, and although I not wrapped it in a long time, I'm glad I can still follow my grandmother's technique. But I'm here to show you the bowl technique, so let me show you what we have here. We have the meat stuffing that is basically meat, whether it could be chicken or pork, but customarily with pork, and with Chinese mushrooms and melon sugar, and it's been seasoned with coriander powder, some salt, some daojiu of daojiang, and some dark soy sauce. Here we have the pulut, glutinous rice that has been quickly washed and has been fried with a bit of garlic, oil, and salt and white pepper. And then I took a portion out and I stained it blue with a bunga telang water. So the first thing you want to do in this process is you want to take a leaf and you want to tear on the sides of the spine, next to the side of the spine, and pull it out like this, and then get the other half. Okay, and what you want to do with the shiny side up, you can cut this in half, and then you want to put this down here. You can put it both sides if you want to, but I just find it's easier if I just put broad sides on one half here like this. Okay, and if you find that you have portions that are a bit tough, you can cut them out too, make it easier to make it crisscross in here. And what you want to do to start off is you want to put 2 tablespoons of the rice. Put 2 tablespoons of the rice, flatten it down. Okay. And then you're going to add 6 tablespoons of water, so 3 times the amount of rice to water to the rice. And then you put it in the steamer, and you're going to steam it for around 15 to 20 minutes until it's completely cooked. So as you can see, the rice has been completely cooked after around 15 minutes of steaming, and adding the water to the pullet, 3 times the amount of the pullet that you added in the bowl. So what you can do is you can take it out, and you can pull out the pullet out of here. Take it out, take the rice out. Okay, and you want to add back the leaves to the bowl, and this time you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the stained pulut, the glutinous rice, and this time you're going to add only 2.5 tablespoons of water. The reason why it's less is because the blue rice has been stained already with some of the bunga telang water, and so it is already quite moist. And then you're going to put it here and you're going to steam. And I want to point out that I didn't point out at the beginning that if you have the excess bamboo leaves that you cut off initially, you can put them in the water, and that will also add more aroma to the steaming. As you can see, the blue glutinous rice pulut has been already steamed for 15 minutes and it's completely cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out, put it here. Forgot to add that when you steam the white rice for the first time, you want to wrap it when you take it out. So leaving the rice in the bowl and leaving the leaves in the bowl, what you do now is you stuff it with as much meat as you want. I usually put a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon, but if you want to put more, that's also fine. So put it down here, and you want to press it down so that there's an indentation that it goes into. And then what you do is you add your rice, the white rice, You place it on top. And you want to push this hard, down hard, so that it really becomes very compact. So push it down hard so it becomes compact. And what you do is you put it back in the steamer and you steam it for another 15 minutes. So as you can see, it's already finished steaming for 15 minutes and the whole thing is ready. So I'm going to take it out. So obviously what you want to do is you want to do a bunch of them at the same time. So 5 or 6 and put it on a big plate, and so you can have all these individual servings. If you're not going to eat it right away, what I suggest you do is you cover it with plastic wrap, kitchen plastic wrap, okay, and let it cool down in the wrap. Or you can let it cool down in the fridge, but make sure you wrap it up, okay? So you can let it cool down a little bit, or if you're really hungry and if you want to eat it, what you can do is you take a butter knife and you want to loosen it a little bit around the sides. It probably will stick a little bit. So take a butter knife, loosen it on the sides as much as you can. And then you take a plate, turn it over, lift up your bowl, and there you have your individual serving. And maybe some of it may stick, it's okay. What you can do is you can patch it up, right? And here you are. You have your individual serving of Kueh Chang Nyonya from Melaka. You can cut into it or you can use a spoon and just eat from here. It's very wangi, full of bamboo smell, okay? Or if you want to, go the hard way and you can spend a few hours doing this, which is a great art that I think we should keep up. But thank you very much for coming over to my site and watching the video on how to make the bowl version of Kueh Chang Nyonya Melaka. Enjoy!